Today we will be learning on what is motion and the definition of motion. So what is motion? Motion is a change in the position of an object with respect to a time, with respect to a reference point at that time. We can see this animation right over here. Here we can see two spherical objects are moving around a object which is present in the center. So the two balls are changing its position with respect to the object that is present in the central part. So we can say that the object is in motion now. Then what is example of a motion? We can say an example as this, a moving car in the road or a falling apple. These are all example of motion that we use in our day-to-day life. That is all about motion and the definition of motion. That is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.